I'm gonna be my honest journalist self. Easton here. This time you're in Flickr Labs. But we're cutting now, because now it's gonna look like we edited it. We've got the original FLIKRFIRE isopropyl alcohol fireplace and the knockoff import. We're gonna start with durability testing. We love our concrete and we think it's amazing and it's gonna last a lifetime. This time we're just gonna go from a little bit more height. I'm gonna go about shoulder. And there's that one. We can see it's broken in half. I'm gonna continue with our unit, same height. And clearly the import knockoff is in a little bit of trouble here. And we'll move to pick up the Flickr. Again, snuffing lid, maybe a couple fresh dings on it. The fireplace itself, a little bit more of a chip out of the bottom of it. Not a whole lot more damage. And then the base, about the same as the snuffing lid, maybe another chip or two in the paint, but nothing else there to see. Looking closer, no cracks that I'm seeing altogether. Still usable and good to go. This unit, not so much, but you know, it's still Flickr Labs, and we're gonna give the burn test a try. We're just gonna throw a couple ounces of rubbing alcohol in ours, and we'll just a couple ounces of rubbing alcohol in their unit, light ours up. Looks great. No leaks, no cracks. Their unit, I'm a professional here at Flickr Labs. I don't suggest you do this, but to me that doesn't look like I would want that on my coffee table. We'll just go ahead and snuff the Flickr and leave this one to burn for a little while. Thank you.